Welcome to topic 1.2.2, aligning text. Sometimes you want text to be offset from the rest, and not just with the margins we did last time. But let's say you want a section to be centered. There is a temptation to use tabs or spaces to manually do it, but then you run into issues with grammar checks. So you pushed enter to get this split over to two lines. It's added an extra space. We're going to have it complaining because it's grammatically incorrect to have that space or to start with a lowercase letter. Generally speaking, it's a terrible idea to do things that way. So let's just move our margins back where they were and do it in what is, in fact, the easier way. If we want this particular paragraph to be center justified, we come to our alignment menu and we can pick center. See, the top line hasn't shifted much, the bottom has shifted quite a bit. We can hit right, and that will right justify it. So if we're writing a business letter and we have some information in the upper right-hand corner, we can make that section right justified. There's also this justify, which at this point looks a lot like the left hand. But let's apply it to this larger paragraph. Because of the variety in word lengths, there's a variety of places where these words end and the different lines of text end. But if you justify your text, you will have inconsistent spacing between the words, but that right edge will line up perfectly all the way down. If we select everything by hitting Control A to select all, that Control A option here, we could right justify or fully justify the entire document. Again, it's longer documents, there's a bit of a delay, but now every paragraph or every line that does not end a paragraph ends up flush to the right, which is why sometimes what Google Docs calls justify is called flush right. We can just undo our last couple of options to revert it to the original formatting. But those are the preferred ways to align the text. You simply highlight the text you want to align and you pick the alignment option. If you try to align using spaces, you will have issues due to inconsistent font sizes and justifications. You will not get credit for aligning text with spaces in this course.